In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to interact with a more complex workspace, one that has multiple projects all defined in the same folder. For this purpose, I've downloaded the USB audio stack from the XMOS website. That'll be linked in the description. You can see from the File Explorer view there are multiple libraries all defined side by side, along with the software USB audio application. If I change to the XMOS tab and look in the Build Projects view, you can see that the file system is reflected here. Each entry here is reflective of a folder in the workspace, and each entry with this icon to the left of it is a project that can be selected as a build route. We're going to open the software USB audio folder and choose the XK316 Multichannel project. By default, the All Configurations option is selected, and what that means is when you press Build, every configuration in the project will be built at the same time. When you press Run or Debug, VS Code will prompt you to select which application you actually want to work with. You can see what each of these mean in the software USB audio documentation, but we're going to select this one. Now, when I press Build, only this build configuration will be built, speeding up your build times. And when you press Run, you won't be prompted. VS Code will automatically run the application associated with this build configuration. These build configurations are defined inside the XCOM and CMake build system. You can find more documentation on this build system on our website. To modify or add to the build configurations which are available in your project, navigate to the Build Projects view, right-click on the project of interest, and press Open Project in Editor. This will open the CMake lists file which the project is defined in. Here, you can see we have 4 build configurations defined, and if we wanted to add a new one, we can copy and paste. Rename a build configuration and save the file, and then press the refresh button in the build configurations view. After a period of loading, where the build configurations are being extracted from the build system, we can see that our new build configuration is added to the list and can be selected.